Alright guys, I am out now, so just going home right now. It's kind of weird here because people over here are not really familiar, not really familiar with the motorcycles over here, so it's really weird. So motorcycles is really new to these guys here. So I really feel famous here. What are you doing? Move. There's a lot of traffic here. What are you doing, dude? You are in the freaking oncoming traffic lane, dude. Gotta stop here, watch for the cars. The camera is right there. Check it out, the camera. They're doing a little bit of photo shoot here. So these are my people. Look at that. That's a traditional wear, what we wear on our occasion. But I am not wearing it right now because it's not really appropriate on motorcycles. So I am not wearing it. Get ready, set, and go. It's 80 degrees outside, so I don't know where the hell is winter, and it's all the effect of global warming. So this is what global warming is doing to our environment, our earth. We don't experience all the seasons on the right time. It's end of October and still hot here. Just gotta stand up and adjust my pants here. I would have just given a little bit of red bombs here. Oh, so now we decide to go in. And there you go, you just gun it. Good job. And now you brake all the way and... Wow, good job. And these are my puppies here, and they're really excited. Hi. No.
Bruno.
Are you leaving? You leaving?
No, that's some time.
Oh, okay. And that's our naughty boy over here.
What?
Now I'm just talking to my fellow people.
Fellow people.
Yeah. And there she is, the sweetest girl in the house. The small one. Hi. Hi. And that's another one. There she is. There she is. There she is. Hi. Hi. So these two are sisters here. They have been living since they were really small pups. This and this.
Bruno.
There he is. There he is. There he comes.
Alright, sit down. Sit down. I know you.
There he is.
Sit down. Stop it. Stop it. You can't. You trying to freaking swallow this shit.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. No.
You've been a really bad boy, Bruno.
Bruno, let's go inside.
There's he at?
He went over there.
Oh. Bruno. Hey. Come on. Go.
Come here. Bruno.
Go.
Come here. Get inside.
You see how crazy the dog is. Signing off after she puts the car in the garage. And I don't know, I might take this bike to work tomorrow. Because weather still looks good tomorrow though. And over and out.